Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB on Listening Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have built many of the projects using many various languages, and I hope you understand that. Like we have just built a project using Python in artificial intelligence, and we have also worked with DSA in Python. And I hope you are understanding that all videos which we have just covered up here. So today we are just building an amazing project here using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you will be enjoying today's video as well. So remember to see this video from start if you want to learn what project we are building from start using Python in artificial intelligence. And if you are understanding this video and if you are enjoying this video, also so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing the notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. And you can also suggest me in the comments like what projects I should build using many various languages or any other language which you want in which I should make project. Like in the previous videos, we have built big projects as well, like social media application and more other projects. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing start to end how we are building this amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence and what things we will be using in this video from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this project in Python using artificial intelligence. So for building this amazing project here, I will be opening new window from my VS Code. After opening the new window, I will be closing the previous window in which I was just doing my previous project here. Then here I will be going to file and I will be opening my folder. So you all know that like when we work with our Python artificial intelligence work, so we just use a different folder to work with that project here. So today we are just today we will be creating one folder here, and after creating that folder, we will be drag and dropping the file here. We will be creating an HTML file in which we will be using some Python work here. So now we'll be starting with that. So for working with that, here you have to directly move to Windows, means your file explorer. Then here I will be moving to my desktop where I want to create my folder. Then I will be giving it the name as Python. So here I will be moving in my folder here. Then after moving to folder, I will be giving it the name as Python. After giving it the folder name here, today I am not telling you that what project we are building. So today we are building an amazing AutoSum calculation which we will be building using Python in artificial intelligence. Now I will be dragging dropping this folder in my VS Code so I can create file of HTML and one Python file in which we will be working with. So we will be using the library of Python which is called jQuery as our external file in which we will be using Python code here. So first of all, we have to create one file with the name of HTML in which we will be linking our file so we can see it in our browser. So you can see our file has been created. Then create another file which should be named as jQuery.min.js. Here we have created one file in which we will be writing our Python code. Then you have to move to main HTML file so we can open it in our default browser. So you all know that our default browser is Google Chrome and our folder was of Python. Here it is, and this is our main file. You can see it has been opened. Now I will be doing it side by side here like this, so we can just get all the codes at the left and at the right the interface side. So today we are not building a backend project because we are using the HTML file. So using HTML file, we will be building a project in our browser, and on the backend we will be using Python there. So here you can see this is our main file. Then I will be creating a file of like you can say HTML. Then head tag I will be writing in which I will be giving it the title. Here you can give the title of AutoSum calculation like this. So I will be giving it the title here AutoSum calculation. Then you have to give here the script tag. Then you have to write here type, or you can directly remove this as well. You can write src and we will be linking our file which is here. After linking this file, you have to write here style tag like this. After creating a style tag, write here input, and in input I will be writing the width of 210 pixels, and then you have to write here the padding of 5 pixels. This is the styling which we are doing here, and the font size should be 18 pixels. Then you have to give here the text align, which should be in center. Now when you written this, you have to directly move after the body tag. So we have to create one body tag as well here. Then create a center tag here. So I will be writing a center tag. Then in this I will be writing div. Then you have to create here the style in which I will be giving it the width as 290 pixel here. And then you have to write here height, which should be 250 pixel. Then you have to give space and give here the padding of 15 pixel like this. Then you have to write here the border. So border should be 6 pixel solid, and I will be giving it the AAA effect, which is the color effect. Then you have to directly write here h2 tag. So I will be now writing here h2 in which I will be writing AutoSum. Then you have to write here calculation. So write like this, save it. Then you have to directly move down, create style tag, then h2 in which I will be now making this tag here and I will be moving down. So you have to directly move here. Then you have to move down. After moving down, just you have to now directly give here the space. Then you have to directly close this tag as well, so we can just use this tag underneath this all the things. So I will be giving it font family. You can write here Arial font family, write here color maroon like this. We will be using maroon color. You can also give the color code if you want to give. Then you have to move after the style tag and give here form, in which I will be directly creating some of the calculation things which we need. So I will be writing input text. Then you can write here class number, write here br. Then you have to give here like this, and then you have to move down right here plus br like this, create here input again, type text, then you have to give here the class of number again. Then you have to directly move after the number tag which we have created here, and then you have to create a br tag in this. Then you have to now directly write here is equals to br, then write here input type text. Again you have to create a class, or you can say we have created the class at the top. I will be creating a total id, then write here disabled like this. Then you have to write slash. After writing the slash, you have to directly now create a script tag in which we will be writing some of the Python code to link our file. Then I will be writing here dot number value. Then you have to now directly write here key up like this, and here I will be now just writing here function. Then I will be making this bracket here, move down. Then you have to write here var sum is equals to 0. Then you have to create this tag here like this, and then you have to write here this tag and write here dot number like this. And after writing number, you have to write here dot each tag. Then you have to write here function, and in function I will be now making this bracket here and then moving down. Write here sum plus is equals to number like this, and when you've written this number value, you have to write this tag again, and then you have to make this tag here and create this tag in this. Then you have to write here dot val means value, which is the short form of that, create bracket here as well. Then close this tag as well. Here I will be now writing this tag, and then you have to write here hashtag total, create dot val, and here you have to write sum. After writing this, you have to now directly move down, and then you have to close this tag. After closing, you can see we have just written all that stuff here, so we will be not needing it. I will be directly giving a space here. Then you have to save it and reload. So you can see we are getting our file here working, and now we should be just now seeing the answer here if I just write. So if I write 2 and 4 here, so we should get answer here, but we are not getting the answer because we have not written anything in our Python file which is of the library. So here we have to now just put the things here. So for putting the things, I will be using this file as my external file. So I will be linking this file again. So I will be moving on to my folder. Here I will be directly removing this, and then you have to directly delete this. After deleting this file, you have to directly move on to the file here which we are getting. And after moving to file, we have to now move to our VS Code here in our browser. So you can see now we are getting our auto sum calculation. If I write here plus, and here if I write plus, and then we should be getting the answer of 10 here in this. So we are just now, if you will be pressing enter or tab, then when you will be reloading this, so you will be getting the is equals to answer here of 10, because this is the disabled box and here we have not written anything. So because of that, we are not getting answer here, but we will be getting the answer when you will be using this as your sum function here. Like if I write here like 6 plus 5 or 6 plus 10, if you will be writing, so you will be getting the answer here. So like this, you can create this auto sum calculation using Python at the backend world, and we have just used the backend jQuery library also to build this project using Python in artificial intelligence. I hope you understand this different project which we have built here. So if you have understand this video and if you enjoy this project which we have built, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, just subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn, they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.